Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding, guys, for the last 20 years. Remember, you can always call or text us at the number above, 832-431-6331. Or if you want to be proactive, you can click on the YouTube description, and there's a link right there to get signed up, to get pre-approved. And basically, one of the things that I want to talk about today, and it's really our theme, our adage that we have with our company, is becoming a homeowner. That's the top video on our YouTube channel. That's our slogan. And one of the things I think is very important, because I talk to thousands of people every single month, and a lot of people, they lose hope, they lose sight because they're not ready to buy a home. And I wanted to make this video because I think it's very important that that anything worth that's great, it's going to take a fight. If you owning a home is a great accomplishment, a great milestone, it could be a huge uphill battle, but at the end it's going to be worth it. And really the message for today is life is too short to waste money on rent. You've seen a lot of my clients that we've done YouTube videos with, and that's the big thing they talk about. You saw Bridget Van Means. We did a podcast with her, and that was her whole thing. She had been renting her whole life, been a successful career businesswoman, and decided, hey, I want to put my money towards owning my home. And you've seen on and on endless testimonials of our clients that we've helped that said, hey, don't let your credit score determine your worth. I don't want to live my whole life, just renting. And that's the thing, life is too short. You can't take the money with you, right? And so it's better to, spend a little extra, get what you want, as opposed to just wasting money on rent and regretting it. So let us, that's the whole thing with our company. Our theme, our mantra is let us show you, let us help you to figure out a pathway to home ownership, right? You may not be ready today, but the time is going to pass anyway. As we go into the future, let's come up with a plan, a structure, how to help you to become a homeowner. It may take you saving money. It may take you boosting your credit. It may take you getting a better job. I don't know what it's going to take, but at least let's do something versus nothing, and then you just kind of waste away paying money on rent, making your landlord rich. If that's what you want to do, that's fine. I have nothing against that. I'll still love you, but don't look back in life regretting that, hey, you could have owned a home and nobody showed you the way. Because that's why we're here. We're helping to show you the way, how to structure it, so that way you can get approved for your home loan. Okay? Whether it's FHA, VA, USDA, that's just the mechanism, the means to get you into your closing. That's just the loan. But the bigger picture is helping you become a homeowner, because I believe everything great happens at the house. You're going to spend 70% of your life at your home. You're going to have your family gatherings, your children's graduation, your children's weddings, your anniversaries, holidays, all that. You sleep in your home. You're going to, eat in your home most of the time. So a home is very important, and you love your house. So the biggest thing that I'll tell you is that you're going to spend your whole life in your home, and you don't want to waste your money making another landlord rich when you could actually own a home. And maybe you're discouraged because you think your credit's not right, or you think your income's not ready, or you think that whatever reason you needed 30% down, you have to have an 800 credit score. I don't know what that is, but don't let those denials be your delays in home ownership. So one of my quotes I always use, I love, is I always say that God's delays are not God's denials. So you may be a delay, but it doesn't mean that you're denied it. It may just take that you need to work with the right person, and you need help with the structure and helping you with figuring out, helping you with showing you the way, right? We want to show you the way to the pathway to home ownership of what has to be done. So that's our big message here is, don't waste your life renting. Become a homeowner. Let Angelo Christian show you the way how to own a house and the pathway to home ownership. We'll come up with a plan. We'll come up with a strategy. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. Because if you lose hope and faith, then what's the point of living? You have to have, that's what they talk about in the Bible, that a man without a vision, they perish, they die. You have to have a vision every single day, a compelling future about what you're going after. And buying a house is a big part of that. So, let us help you. We'll figure out the loan. We'll come up with a plan. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. I want to hear from you guys. Don't be scared. We can reach out to you. We can help you. We can make it happen. Or you can click on that link below. Don't be a stranger. Let us hear from you. Give us a call if you're looking to buy a home. Whether you're self-employed or you're, an entrepreneur or you work for a company, I don't care. Let's just see what we can do to help you to figure it out. And we do have some basic requirements I want to talk about. So generally, our minimum loan amount to purchase a house is $200,000. So the loan has to be at least $200,000 or higher. You have to have the ability to repay, obviously, some type of income to be able to pay a mortgage. So, we're not a charity company. We are a for-profit company. So there are certain requirements that we have to have in place. Obviously, you have to have some type of income to support the loan, money for the closing. But that's one thing I do want to talk about, that we are not a charity company. We're not a nonprofit. We are a for-profit company. So we have to figure out how to do a loan that's feasible for you, that works, that's totally legal and ethical. So anyway, we love you guys. Appreciate you guys watching the channel and the show. Please stay tuned for more great content. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian. Take care and peace out.